Hello again, this is Tony, and today I'm going to show you how to completely disassemble and reassemble the M14 or M1A trigger group. Okay, so first of all, we've got our trigger group here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the hammer is actually forward. So if it's already cocked, don't try to take it apart yet. You've got to release tension off that spring. So we're going to make sure that the safety is all the way forward. Okay, and we're going to retain the hammer with your thumb and pull the trigger and then ease the hammer forward. Okay, so from this point what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to push in on the you're going to basically squeeze these two contact points right here, and what that's going to do is that's going to slightly compress your hammer spring, and it's going to relieve tension off the trigger pivot pin. And then we're going to get a punch of some sort. Okay. So here we are. We're going to squeeze, and you're going to push on that pin with some kind of a punch. Okay. And now we can see on this side that the pin has started to back out. So we're going to go ahead and keep this. We're going to keep that from flying off into no man's land. We're going to take that pin out, and we're going to release tension off the hammer spring. So now you can take out what we have here is you've got your trigger. Okay, that right there. You have your hammer spring housing. Okay, you got your trigger pivot pin there. You have your hammer spring, and you have your hammer spring plunger. Okay, so from this point, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this pin. So we'll flip it around, we'll push the pin out there, and pull the pin out, and from that point you should be able to rotate your hammer about right there, and you're going to kind of rock it out, up and out. Okay, and yeah, just kind of angle it up and out, and you should be able to remove it. Now from here, you're going to want to push out, or push on the safety, and what that's going to do is that's going to dismount the pivot point right here, the post from the hole there. So we'll go ahead and push out on that, and you should be able to pull your safety right up. Okay. So from this point, you have now your safety spring that's free to come out. Now all that's left is literally the trigger guard, and you're just going to rotate it down. You're going to move the trigger guard to this area, and you're just going to rock it out, and that's it. It's done. Okay. And now you're all broken down in to the groups that are the components that you need, and there you go.